This is a finishing detail that can be used for both my Mr. Mushroom and Baby Toadstool patterns. Be sure to check out the patterns on my blog, linked in the description box below. Let's start. For this section, you're going to be using red yarn or whichever color you picked for your mushroom cap. And what you'll do is you're going to slip stitch along in the unworked loops created in round 1 of the mushroom cap. It's going to make a lot more sense as you work through the pattern on my blog, but this part might be a little tricky in terms of explaining, so I wanted to show it through video. As you can see, I'm just inserting my hook into the unworked loop created in round 1 of the mushroom cap and slip stitching into the loop. You'll do this all the way around and fasten off and weave in the ends. This really adds a nice little finishing detail. Hope it's helpful to you and happy crocheting. Bye now!